Imagine spending years training for your dream job, only to find out that in a decade, that job might not even exist. This isn't science fiction. It's a real concern for millions as artificial intelligence rapidly advances. Today, we're diving into a question on everyone's mind. Will AI replace your job? Let's explore how AI is transforming the workplace, which jobs are at risk, and what you can do to stay ahead in this changing world. Artificial intelligence is already reshaping how we work. From smart assistants that schedule meetings to algorithms that analyze massive amounts of data, AI is making tasks faster and more efficient. In many offices, AI-powered tools help with everything from customer service to financial analysis. This shift isn't just about robots on factory floors. It's about software and systems that can learn, adapt, and even make decisions. Workplace is evolving, and AI is at the center of this transformation. Automation means using technology to perform tasks that once required human effort. With AI, automation is reaching new heights. Machines can now handle complex processes, not just repetitive ones. This includes everything from sorting emails to diagnosing medical images. Automation powered by AI is changing the definition of work itself, freeing people from routine tasks and allowing them to focus on more creative or strategic roles. Some jobs are more likely to be automated than others. Roles that involve repetitive tasks, such as data entry, basic accounting, or assembly line work, are at the highest risk. For example, self-checkout machines are replacing cashiers, and AI can now process invoices faster than any human. If a job can be broken down into clear, predictable steps, there's a good chance AI will eventually handle it. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, or complex problem-solving are much harder for AI to replace. Think of teachers, therapists, artists, and managers. These roles depend on human connection, empathy, and the ability to navigate unpredictable situations. While AI can assist, it can't fully replicate the uniquely human qualities these jobs demand. It's not all about job loss. AI is also creating entirely new roles. As technology evolves, demand grows for AI trainers, data analysts, and specialists who can design, maintain, and improve intelligent systems. Even jobs that didn't exist a decade ago, like social media managers or app developers, are now common. The future of work includes opportunities we can't even imagine yet. Let's look at how AI is already being used in business. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. In finance, algorithms detect fraud and manage investments. Retailers use AI to predict what customers want and manage inventory. These real-world examples show that AI isn't just a future trend, it's already making a difference in many industries. So what does the future hold? Experts predict that the workplace will become more dynamic, with humans and AI working side by side. Some jobs will disappear, but new ones will emerge. Flexibility, adaptability, and a willingness to learn will be more important than ever. The future of work is about collaboration, using AI as a tool to enhance human abilities, not replace them. Stay relevant in an AI-driven world, certain skills will be in high demand. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and digital literacy are essential. Learning how to work with AI tools, understanding data, and being comfortable with technology will give you an edge. Lifelong learning is no longer optional. It's a necessity for anyone who wants to thrive. Adapting to change can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity for growth. Embracing new technologies and being open to learning new skills will help you stay ahead. Whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or simply staying curious, the ability to adapt is one of the most valuable traits in today's workforce. Most successful workplaces of the future will combine human creativity with AI's analytical power. Imagine designers using AI to generate ideas, or doctors using AI to analyze patient data. By working together, humans and AI can achieve more than either could alone. Collaboration, not competition, is the key to unlocking AI's full potential. No matter how advanced AI becomes, there are qualities only humans possess. Empathy, intuition, and ethical judgment are difficult, if not impossible, for machines to replicate. These uniquely human traits will remain valuable, especially in roles that require understanding, compassion, and moral decision-making. While AI is powerful, it has its limits. Machines can process data quickly, but they lack true understanding and context. AI can make mistakes, especially in unfamiliar situations. That's why human oversight is crucial. By recognizing AI's strengths and weaknesses, we can use it more effectively and responsibly. Upskilling means learning new abilities to keep up with changing job requirements. Many companies now offer training in digital skills, data analysis, and AI basics. Taking advantage of these opportunities can help you stay competitive and open doors to new career paths. AI isn't just for big businesses, it's part of our daily lives. From voice assistants on your phone to recommendation systems on streaming platforms, AI is everywhere. Understanding how these systems work can help you use them more effectively and prepare for future changes. Surprisingly, AI is also making waves in creative fields. Artists use AI to generate music, writers get help brainstorming ideas, and designers create new styles with AI-powered tools. Rather than replacing creativity, AI can be a partner that inspires and enhances human imagination. Education systems are adapting to prepare students for an AI-driven world. Schools are teaching coding, digital literacy, and problem-solving from an early age. Lifelong learning is encouraged, so people can keep up with rapid technological change. The goal is to equip everyone with the skills needed to thrive alongside AI. AI is also changing how teams work together. Collaboration tools powered by AI help teams communicate, manage projects, and solve problems more efficiently. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up time for people to focus on what they do best, innovating and working together. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical questions arise. How do we ensure AI is used fairly and safely? Who is responsible when AI makes a mistake? These are important issues that require careful thought and human judgment. Responsible AI development means putting people first and considering the impact on society. Change can be unsettling, but it also brings new opportunities. By staying informed, learning new skills, and embracing technology, you can turn uncertainty into possibility. The most successful people will be those who see AI as a partner, not a threat, and who are ready to adapt as the world evolves. The future belongs to those who learn how to work with AI, not against it. By combining human strengths with AI's capabilities, we can create a world where technology empowers everyone. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, your ability to adapt is your greatest asset in the age of AI. Subscribe to RawTech Explained for more insights on AI, technology, and the future.